FP&A teams and professionals know that their stakeholders' reporting requirements can change a lot. So today, I want to show you how easy it is to bring in new data from a Vena Excel report into Vena's new Vena for Microsoft PowerPoint integration. And to highlight that, I just have this example up on the screen where I'm working on a very high-level financial report, and one of my stakeholders has requested that we do a slide specifically for gross margin variance. I already have a couple of data points that were already compiled in my library here for gross margin, but one thing that's missing is just a nice dynamic summary that I can pull in that's just going to get updated automatically every time I refresh the data. And so to do that, I'm just going to head to Excel, where I already have this dynamic text created. I just need to be able to bring that into PowerPoint. And so to do that, I will format this dynamic summary as a table. And I don't need these table settings turned on, so I'm just going to turn those off, and I'm going to give it a name. So now that I've named my table, I can save this template back to Vena. Okay, now that I've saved my template back to Vena, all I need to do is jump back to PowerPoint and refresh the enrolled Excel file to bring in the latest data from there. So to do that, I'm just going to hit this refresh button. Once this data is done refreshing, my library in PowerPoint is going to get recompiled with all of the charts and tables that I've brought in from my enrolled Excel reports. And from there, I'll be able to grab the new dynamic summary data point that I've created in Excel and insert it into this slide. Okay, so my data is done being refreshed. I'm just going to jump back into the executive dashboard template where I have this dynamic summary that I want to bring in. And if I just scroll down here to the bottom, I'm going to see the summary that I've just created, and I'll be able to insert that into my gross margin slide. And just like that, it's inserted into the file now. So every time I refresh this PowerPoint file, this dynamic summary is going to get updated with the latest data.